In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a journal entry in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide will help you efficiently navigate through QuickBooks to make the necessary adjustments to your financial records. So, let's dive right in and get your entries updated swiftly and accurately. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks account, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks login page. Click on Sign In to access the portal. Once you're there, make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is important because QuickBooks provides various services, and choosing the correct one ensures you're in the right place to make the necessary adjustments to your journal entries. Next, you'll need to input your login credentials, enter your username and password, and then click Continue to proceed. Make sure your login details are secure and that you're using a strong password. Accessing your accounting data requires a level of security, so never share your login information. Once you're logged in, head over to the Reports section. You can find this by navigating through the main menu on the left side of your screen. Select the Reports tab, which will take you to a comprehensive view of all available reports. This area is your hub for analyzing financial information, including journals. In the search bar within the Report section, type Journal and press Enter. Doing so will pinpoint the specific report you need to edit the journal entries. Once your search is complete, you'll see the journal report appear. Click on it to open up your entries. This specific report displays all the journal entries in your account, allowing you to access each one for editing purposes. Now take a moment to scroll through the journal entries and select the one you wish to edit. Click on the entry to open it up. Don't worry if you need to look through a few entries to find the right one. The structure allows for easy navigation so you can quickly locate your target. After selecting the desired journal entry, you can now proceed with performing the necessary edits. Whether it's correcting a date, adjusting figures, or changing account details, verify the information you're editing for accuracy. It's crucial to ensure that these changes reflect the true financial position and adhere to accounting standards. Once you're satisfied with the edits made, simply click on Save to update the journal entry. This final step ensures that all your adjustments are preserved and reflect accurately in the QuickBooks records, maintaining the integrity of your financial reports. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to edit journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining your financial records is a crucial aspect of running a business, and QuickBooks makes it straightforward and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.